How do you multiply decimal numbers? Multiplying decimal numbers follows the same pattern as integers. But you need a way to determine the number of decimal places in the final answer. The trick is to count the total number of decimal places in both factors. Say you want to solve 6.7 times 3.14. 6.7 has one decimal place, and 3.14 has two. So they have a total of 3 decimal places. This means that the final answer of 6.7 times 3.14 must have 3 decimal places. This is a rule which you must remember. When you multiply 6.7 by 3.14, again, you place the shortest number underneath. Make sure both numbers are placed as far right as possible, without consideration for the placement of the decimal point. As usual, you start with the last digit in the bottom number. 7 times 4 equals 28. You place the 8 under the 7 and carry the 2. 7 times 1 equals 7, plus the 2 you carried equals 9. Write the 9 in front of the 8. You then multiply 7 by 3, which is 21. Since 3 is the last digit, you write the whole answer in front of the 9. Then you multiply by 6. Remember to start a new row and place a 0 under the 8. 6 times 4 equals 24. So place the 4 in front of the 0 and carry the 2. 6 times 1 equals 6, and add the 2 you carried to get 8. You put the 8 in front of the 4. Then, 6 times 3 equals 18, which you can write in front of the 8. Place a line under the last row and add them as usual. 8 plus 0 equals 8. 9 plus 4 equals 13. Place 3 under the line and carry the 1. 1 plus 8 plus the 1 you carried equals 10. Place 0 under the line and carry that 1. 2 plus 8 plus the 1 you carried equals 11. So place 1 under the line and carry the 1. 1 plus the 1 you carried equals 2, which you place under the line. By adding the two numbers in the rows, you get 21,038. That can't be right. Remember that you have decimal numbers here, and you had 3 decimal places in total. You need to put the decimal point such that this answer also has 3 decimal places. That is, between the 1 and 0. The final answer is therefore 21.038. The number of decimal places in the answer equals the total number of decimal places contained in the two factors when multiplying decimal numbers.